I can share the screen.
Yeah, please don't do it anything now, sir. It's live now. Just wait. Good morning, friends. How are you all? Namaskar, doston. How are you all? Today, you are going to get a excellent webinar presentation, excellent training on DXN, excellent presentation on direct selling industry and its challenges. The person who is going to give the webinar today is a great personality, is a great mentor, is a great leader, and he is a great networker, and moreover, he is a great human being. He is from Bangladesh. He is known as Tiger of Bangladesh in DXN. He spread his business across the globe. Today, if you are very serious about your business, you are going to get serious information which will help you to build a serious business. So many times when I am taking training, I am telling the people, the one thing is important, that is your seriousness. If you are not serious about your business, then your business will not grow. If you are passionate and serious about your business will grow like anything. So if there is a problem in growing your business, look into your business, look into your attitude, whether you are very serious or not. Today's program will help you to make a very serious DXN member, very serious DXN leader. Just listen another 1 hour, maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes. A great personality is going to give a great session today. He is none other than Mr. Harun or Rashid. He is an executive crown diamond. He reached Saudi Arabia many years before, and he started DXN, and within 5 months, he got a time freedom and money freedom. After that, 2013, he went back to Bangladesh and then come back to Bahrain. And Bahrain, he made his residency. And from Bahrain 2013 onwards, he is building the business. Now, Mr. Harun or Rashid, Executive Crown Diamond, he is in Malaysia. He is planning to settle there. He is planning to have a second home there. Dear friends, please listen him carefully today. You can also become double diamond, triple diamond, gold diamond, crown diamond. He is now executive crown diamond, going to be crown ambassador very soon. With a thunder of applause, with your permission, I would like to call great leader, Mr. Harun or Rashid. Sir, please come.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Happy morning. And
good morning, sir. You can continue, sir.
Thank you, sir. I would like to Mr. Boben, it is already.
Yeah, coming, sir. Only thing is you have to do the slideshow, please.
Oh, okay.
It's coming, perfectly coming. Now you have to do the slideshow, sir. Slideshow.
Yes, 1 minute.
Yeah, perfect.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd. Good morning. I would like to welcome all the audience, and especially I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to DXN Middle East and to arrange a webinar and invited me. And I'm very happy to share my experience with all of you. And I feel I'm not talking in front of you. I'm talking in front of millions of people's representative in the world, because we are providing the concept one world, one market. So our message for all around the world, all human beings. I would like to share my experience. Actually, I don't have ability to teach all of you. I am here to share my experience. So the topics I decided today, it was opportunities for success with challenges. So every one of us all around the world, we are looking opportunity. We are going to one country to another country, one business to another business, one job to another job. And nowadays, in every one of us, all around the world, everybody facing challenges. That's why I choose these topics, and I would like to share my experience only with all of you. I hope it can help all of you. So the importance of opportunities. You see, if there is a qualification of anybody, skills, ability, and experiences, it is nothing without if he didn't get the opportunity to utilize. So this is the time I would like to share all these things, because I feel last 15 years I am in this company with DXN. Lots of company in between come and go. They already know more, but I passed my 15 years. I believe a blind man cannot show the way to other people. I am with DXN, and I'm very grateful to DXN, Dr. Lim Sujin, and also our DXN system and all management around the world because of their sincere support, and also a great system. And moreover, all the DXN leaders around the world, we are learning from each other. And same times, I am Harun. I am zero without my business associates. I'm very grateful to all of them. So you see the DXN providing opportunities for everything, for sustainable success. There is a lots of success in the world, but for the time being, not sustainability, not stability. In DXN, it is lifetimes and generation to generation. So DXN is a part of direct selling industry. This direct selling industry, it is like a business school. And we are learning from different peoples. It is more than traditional business school. And they teach us values, how to become rich, how to become a business owner, rather than teach a loyal employee working for rich. The Robert Kiyosaki, the best seller and very well known in the world. So in that slide, these comments, if we understood in this world, all we can mention there, like DXN, it is a business experience, business university. Experience will not get in the books, will not get in the shops. We are getting by facing challenges. If any student, business student, MBA, BBA, if they ask the teacher, sir, do you have business? Can you give me business? Because the teacher teaches in the business in the college or university, but they cannot give business. We give business at the same time. We teach business how to become successful in life. So the importance of direct selling industry, because we are part of that, it is empowerment through entrepreneurship. So we are a businessman. They're teaching a business. We are providing a business in the system. So that industry contribution for every field, every work all around the world. And this is 21st century business. Anybody want to be successful, he can successful. The purpose of this business, to make people's life meaningful, long lasting, rewarding organization, which is based education, teamwork, and professionalism. This is a professional business. And this is 21st century profession. So direct selling industry providing tremendous opportunity to discover financial independence and to make dreams come true. So this is the great opportunity for all of us. When you talk about DXN, this is a combination of three things. One is health through DXN product. This is the time whole world are facing challenges. Every organization, every country, every health specialists, they are talking about health, and we are facing challenges, whole world. And that time, DXN can contribute discussing last 27 years all around the world, how to be healthy before sick, to increase the immune system, in immunity, defense, natural defense power. And this is the time actually for DXN or wellness industry. Those company are doing health-based business. This is our time. So this is the opportunity DXN is providing, how to be healthy. So we can talk about the opportunity. We can provide the opportunity to the people. At the same time, people are talking about their health, their financial problems because of the COVID-19. Not only there's sometimes financial recession, lots of people are losing their job, lots of challenges is there. So in that case, DXN offering, at one side is health, another side is wealth, how you be rich, how you can solve your problem, and at the same time, financial security for future. And that can be possible to create by using DXN product, promoting, and system. And you can create a financial security through your consumer team around the world. And that is the opportunity DXN providing. And that is most important and is very essential during this time. And it is already proven. And DXN did a great job last 27 years around the world. The system it is a sustainable system. This is one kind of opportunity I would like to say. People, only blessed people, those people are blessed, they introduce with DXN. Like DXN has a system for success. Anybody can be duplicate. Whatever his background, whatever he's doing, wherever he is, it is international standard. It is simple. It is fast. It is effective. And using this same company, same product, and same system around the world, and last 27 years, DXN created lots of successful people around the world. I believe anybody want to be successful, instead of focusing challenges, problems, DXN can help to provide solution. DXN is not selling product. DXN is a solution provider. So when we talk about our challenges, this COVID-19, during COVID-19, we want to talk about something, the achievement. In the time of difficulties, this is the difficult times because 2020, this is uncertain year. What is going to happen? Nobody knows still. So when we talk about the challenges, all of us, we are facing challenges now, but DXN have lots of achievement. I would like to say all DXN members and those people are hopeless. I want to tell this COVID-19 period, our great achievement, the United Nations, the INSAM, our CEO, Dr. Lim Sujin, he's achieved Goodwill Ambassador for next 10 years because of his contribution for the human being, malnutrition, and for the health. And so this is a great achievement for us in this time. So
Arun bhai, no sound.
now you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so the $1 for one child campaign, this is the great opportunity to helping humanity. And through DXN and Dr. Lim, we are proud to support and to helping the humanity around the world. So during this COVID-19, so if we see instead of negativity or the challenges, problems, we can say our lots of company is closed down. they try to minimize, reduce the branches. They try to minimize the staff. But in DXN, we are opening new branches. You see, we started our new office, new country, Mauritania, Africa. And Nepal direct selling license, it was approved last month from Nepal government. It is also one of the achievement for us. And also DXN Qatar new office, DXN Middle East have already 80 world-class offices. And so the opportunity with us, we can achieve whatever we want. More people, they doesn't know technology. Even we don't know. This Zoom last 5 years. Now this Zoom, all the ministry, all the corporate and also education and all the business seminars is now we are using Zoom, webinar, Facebook Live and YouTube. And DXN members achieved lots of status, Star Agent, Ruby, Diamond, Executive Diamond, and moreover, especially Saudi Arabia, 3 crown ambassadors in this time. We really congratulate and all our achievers all around the world. And especially I would like to, this pandemic time, Saudi Arabia, our 3 crown ambassadors. You see, our Mr. Abdul Khalik, Sakina Turki, Al-Mari, and also Amira Muhammad Al-Ayubi. We really congratulate them. They are our inspiration. So it's meaning instead of focusing challenges, problems, we need to focus solution, achievement, and it is possible through the DXN system. I would like to share here, this COVID-19, I am proud to share with all of you, DXN Bangladesh, we are now organized with DXN and we have leaders. Our all leaders around the world, Bangladeshi community, we decided those people are daily work basis income because during lockdown, they cannot move, they cannot do anything. And I collected with all the leaders from Singapore, Malaysia, Bangladesh, also all Gulf countries and Europe. And we collected around 1 million. And we support the people this COVID-19 time because of DXN system, because of leadership of DXN. And we are very proud for that. So I would like to share because the achievement for us, we did it. And one of my achievement, I am 15 years with the DXN. And the day I joined DXN, 27th July, since that time until now, I take full-time basis. I travel around 50 countries, always airport, going meetings, seminar, all the time. Now I get, Dr. Lim told me, Harun, I want to see you stay in Malaysia. And this COVID-19, this 2020, I came to January in Malaysia and I settled with my family in Malaysia. So this is another achievement. I feel if we want to focus the problem, challenges, I believe nowadays people are facing lots of challenges. Mentally they're upset, they stress. And if anybody is stressed because the insecurity of the job, insecurity of the life, lots of challenges, and their mental strength going to be reduced and the immunity is going to reduce. I feel all DXN members, leaders, we need to promote the positive things and the good things for the people. And that is, we are going to proven. So in this, during COVID-19 time, our all staff around the world, all management people, they try to help. Even they cannot open the office, they try to different option to support the people, to leaders, members. And this time, lots of country already in online basis. They started online. We're really grateful to DXN management according to take proper decision on time. And also DXN Middle East provided website, personal website, and also lots of people facing money problem. That's why DXN already provided the retail sale through website. Now you can do this business from your home. You can order product from your home, and product goes to your home. So you need not go, and you can get training from online. So, and anywhere you are, anywhere in the world, any situation, but you can learn, you can help people. That is the strength of DXN. So you see the transformation, the changing, the business, COVID-19, our conventional activities, always we make meeting, event in the different hotels, seminars, meetings, leadership camp. Now, everything is in virtual. Now I am in Malaysia. I love all of you, different countries. I really grateful to all of you. And at the same time, I would like to say Alhamdulillah, because we are in with our family or any situation, but we can still, our income, our business is continue. We can helping people, we can share our experience. So the CSS, e-world, personal website, retail sale, Zoom, everything, Facebook Live now. Some people cannot attend to join in Zoom, but they can see the information, everything, because in our Facebook Live. So the DXN provided the information all around the world. Like Malaysia is everyday Facebook Live, Philippines Facebook Live, then Nigeria everyday Facebook Live, also India different program every day. Even Bangladesh started, and all Gulf countries every day we have activities. Europe, Latin America, everywhere. So all DXN people, if they decided, I will listen which leader, which country, which language, everything is possible. Everything is very easy.
Arun bhai, no sound.
Now, okay?
Yeah.
So the understand the DXN opportunities. What DXN offering you? DXN opportunity to all. No, it's not for any specific nation, for any specific religion, for any specific race. This is for all human beings around the world. So opportunity to be healthy. Because this COVID-19, when everybody talking about immune system, but like us, if we are not involved DXN, we don't know what is immunity. Maybe we have to check in the Google. What is immune, which product is increasing, which food is increasing immunity. So now we are learning, we understand. So, and also we can get the opportunity to helping the country, the society, others to be healthy. That is our purpose and our work. The opportunity to develop business globally. When we offer the opportunity globally, all human beings, and your business is there, so you can upgrade people's life. And opportunity to explore globally, name and fame. Now, it is a global relationship because we don't know each other, but when we are a DXN family, all our leaders, we know each other now because of the system. So it is offering the opportunity to earn unlimited income from all around the world. The opportunity to build global careers. I was joined in Saudi Arabia, but now I was in Saudi Bahrain. I am in Malaysia. So the global career and lifelong career, even you go anywhere in the world, you are same status you are carrying. But this time, lots of people lost their job. They may be till I was manager, supervisor, that company, or maybe they no more in the world. Their family can say their father, their husband was like this status, this company, but it is a global, lifelong and generation to generation career. This career profession can be transferable, because if anybody is a doctor, you cannot duplicate him to become a doctor. If anybody engineer, you cannot duplicate him to become an engineer. So this, what we are doing, we are helping people, we are using product, and we upgrade people's life, and we building our future. Opportunity to achieve global career, an opportunity to learning, leveraging, and residual income. You see, our 1 hour personally, individually is 1 hour. But when you talk, when you have team, I'm very proud to say with my team, now, if I want to build a business like DXN, it is, I have consumer, of course, everybody is not working, but our income is not stopped, alhamdulillah. That's why we are trying to support all the peoples to share our experience. Now, it is more than
Arun
200
bhai,
people.
people are complaining that there is a sound problem. I think you can change the headset and talk. Just close to the laptop and talk, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
I try. Yes, 1 minute.
Maybe you remove the headset and try.
Now is, I think now is okay, right?
Yeah, no, because many people are saying sound problem. I said increase the volume.
Okay. Now it's okay. I think it is okay now. Okay. So now opportunity to build global career. This is a global career. Opportunity to travel around the world. And I was the one, because lead by example. Everything I'm sharing my experience only, what I feel. So now I travel around 50 countries through this product, through this system, through this company. And opportunity to achieve global career. This is a career profession. And this is a 21st century business and the 21st century career. And this is a leveraging and residual income that I was hardworking last 15 years. Now I am in DXN, I'm in Malaysia. I am with my family. Now Malaysia is 12:30. Now, if you think about other countries, different time is there, but my team is working 159 countries. So the hard work I did, now I am in one place, I can do the business. So the opportunity to duplication, that this success can duplication, multiplication, the more number of the people successful, your income will be sustainable, your success will be sustainable. Opportunity to performance-based reward. Sometimes, whatever you hard work, any company, any business, maybe you are not get returned back. But when you do DXN business, according to your performance, your effort is not coming down. It is make an asset for you, for your future. And opportunity to change, opportunity to share knowledge, experience, opportunity to learn from different professional peoples, because this is, as I told, this is a business, like a business school, experience business school, university, because different professional, different doctor, engineer, general worker, all religion, all ages people is here. So this is a great opportunity to learn, opportunity to build lifelong global career and give a legacy to the family. So whatever we are doing today, we are building asset and we are providing the asset to the next generation. So now, first of all, if we want to be successful, get the all opportunity, we need to realize the opportunity and we need to understand the, let's take some example. How much time required to be a doctor? How much time required to be a higher position to the sales and marketing? If anybody started his profession career as a sales executive, when he became a manager, regional manager or general manager, how many years journey? And he created lots of consumer, the business. When he returned back to his country, or he returned, or he no more in the world, but company having business because of him. So in DXN, whatever we hard work, this is our own business. So you see how many years need time. It is a required time. How much required to be IT professional? How much required time to be a well-known cricketer or football player as a profession? So if you answer is have to learn, take experience, it is requires time. So why people fail? Because everybody want instant money. That's why they don't have vision and they are looking job, and job market is crisis and lots of challenges there. So direction industry also is not a miracle. This is an industry and it is a scientific and it is a professionalism is there, and you can be successful by to understand the opportunity. So you have to be visionaries. So you have to think this is the profession you can understand, That is your future, that is your life, your career, your success. So next, focus solution instead of focusing challenge, because as I told from the beginning, DXN providing solution. So opposite word is challenge or problem. So I would like to share some things to you. All of us, we are given hope to the people. We are given solution to the people. We are, is what we need to do. We need to see ourselves a gift to the world, a blessings, a servant, and a problem solvers to others. So our whole world is facing challenges, problems. So we are talking about the hope. We try to serve people how they can be overcome. So we need to understand the present challenges. Some challenges we need to discuss during this COVID-19 situation, like lockdown, because lots of people lost their business, they lost their job, and nobody can do anything. But every government, every organization, CEO, the responsible people, they try their best to support the family, the country. But we cannot avoid it. It is not anybody's hand. Don't know how purchase online. Lots of people, our ordinary people, they doesn't know how to purchase online. They don't have documents. They cannot buy the product. They cannot make bank account. They don't have credit card, debit card. But that's why when you talk to the people, that time lots of people don't, we cannot do that. But our staff, our leaders, everybody work hand in hand, and we overcome, we help the people. When you talk about some countries, because we need to respect the country we are, the rules and regulations. There is a VAT and taxes. So when VAT and taxes coming, then of course we need to help the respect the rules. Then price is increasing, but it is not for DXN. It is for all the country. If all products, we need to pay. We need to respect. So everybody focusing for the DXN only. So overall financial crisis for everything. So it is there. Members don't want to listen. When you talk our leaders, members, most of the people talk like this. You just feel in that time in Saudi Arabia, I just want to, according to my experience, I would like to share some previous experience with all of you. Saudi Arabia products 2011 until 2016, there was 4 years not product available, even no what you call this one, the supplements. Sometimes we don't have toothpaste also. But still, you see the now when product come, you see the business, the challenge after challenges. The Sudan facing lots of challenges. As you know, I really appreciate all Sudanese member because they are facing problem with dollar, and every half an hour, 1 hour increase price dollar. So they're facing challenges. Still, lots of our member, they try to get solution because they knows it is a proven system and they need to do DXN and to overcome their financial problem. In Bangladesh, Pakistan, we're facing some product problem. Now, product, after that, people, lots of time people told there is a high price, they don't want to listen. Now, product is high prices, but we understood, they told product is no more and they're crying for the products. So the challenges, all another challenge I feel, the India, 2 years they was facing challenges in India. After that, now they make a, I think like a Crown Ambassador producing factory. But every few months we get some new face coming Crown Ambassador, and market is growing very fast. So whatever problem we are facing, we see we get the solution. So market challenges, when we talk about this opportunity, all our members, active members, they're dismotivated because of that. So you see all these things is there. Upline, downline problem, so many people talking packaging not good, so many product not available like this. But I would like to tell, so many country product problem is not there. Lots of product in Malaysia, but all people are not successful here. So many country don't have good offices, but they told they cannot get office. That's why they cannot do business. I believe lots of country we have senior diamond, double diamond, even triple diamond, but still system is not there. but it is not the excuses to become successful, because we need to focus all these things to instead of focusing challenges, we need to focus solution. It is possible because everything to become possible because of the technology nowadays. So when we talk about challenges, we need to, when challenge is more harder for us, in that time, we need to be more stronger, because it is a guideline to go next step, to be successful. So power of acceptance, because now COVID-19, nobody can do anything. Even some problem is coming because of the government policy, the country policy. We need to respect. So when we talk all these things, everything is right. But if you talk all these things, you will not grow. When you talk the problem, other people are growing. They also achieve Crown Ambassador. They also became Crown Diamond. They're also getting 10,000, 5,000, and they can, even they don't have job, but they can survive through DXN. So I think we need to understand, we need to growing our business by growing our mind. We need to face all kinds of challenges, because everywhere, even before COVID-19, different problem we faced. We faced lots of challenges, but those people are facing lots of challenges. They are very, very strong in their life, and they are very, very successful. Everybody, if you see anybody in the world who is very successful, their background, there is a lots of pain, there is a lots of challenges, and that's why they became strong. So one side to build a business, create business, and at the same time, we need to maintain our business. So we need knowledge how to maintain. If we don't know the challenges, we cannot accept, we cannot understand how to maintain the sustainability. So the leadership responsibility, when all the problem will come, everybody focusing problem, I believe, because we need to overcome challenges, we need to make strategic proper plan and also ideas. It is very important. Everybody will not do DXN business. Everybody will not be successful in all profession. But if anybody understood this opportunity, they realize, I believe it can possible to become successful, but need to plan challenges. Identify the resources, how to utilize maximum of overcome the solution. So we need to understand our resources. You see, our resources, we have product, we have products all around the world, we have offices all around the world, we have leadership all around the world, we have management all around the world. So, and the skill is there, we have experiences there. So all the resources, we need to utilize our maximum to overcome the situation. The training activities going to around the world. So what we need to do, these training activities, we need to promote. So people will get confidence, they get knowledge, and they will get the solution from the leaders, management. So a great networker, if you want to be a problem solver, you need to promote the activities, the training programs, the event. So we need to be retain customer, because people was worried. They was thinking what is going to happen in the world. But I feel from the beginning, what was worried, the stress, it is reduced now. I think we need to retention our customers, our members and leaders. So many people, we need to activate communication. We need to activate them. So in order to be sustainable income or sustainable development, we need to create a systematic growth and discipline. So we need to, this crisis time, if we want to overcome, we need to do our job. Who is doing job? Because you need to help your organization, you need to help your country. At the same time, you need to manage your time. How you manage your time. And also nowadays, when we doing the virtual activities, different countries, like a Zoom webinar. So you can just, lots of people still, I feel, they don't want to accept. So that's why they didn't understand. They don't know what is going to happen in the world. What is the new updated? So I think all our leaders, we need to accept, and we need to promote, and we need to teach, and we need to educate them. So it is possible to, as a leader, to overcome the present situation to helping people, the family. So we need to unity and responsibility. So what we need to do, let's work together hand in hand, because even your organization, even DXN as a team, as a leader, to overcome the challenges, so we need to manage by responsibilities. It's a powerful way to growing people and growing organization and growing country. And as the DXN leader, we are not leader only DXN. Wherever we work, our organization, our family, our society, I think we need to give hope to the people, solution to the people, and it is possible through our leadership. So power of teamwork and unity. We need to be think, because DXN is a solution provider. So in this point of view, in this world is facing basically two problems. One is health problem, another is financial problem. And these two is more in this world now. So DXN product, we need to promote. We need to attend all the product information that lots of our specialist doctor, those people are senior leader, they're talking about the product, and they're talking about the income. And also I really appreciate all the DXN management, different kinds of training. They supported us to day-long program. In Gulf, there was a different language day-long program going on. Bangla, Arabic, Hindi, Nepalese, so English. So I think all of us, we need to promote, because people didn't understand and realize the opportunity. So they will understand this opportunity, and they will support the team and organization. And as a team, we need to work, because the crisis time, if we want to be overcome, we should be together. We need to be helped together. We need to be work together. Then it is possible. So it is like a ocean. You see, individually one drop of water, it is only one drop, but when it is together, it's like a big ocean. So DXN, the whole world, now we are trying to contribute every country to helping the support all around the world, because our message for everybody, all human being. I think in that situation and this point of view, I think DXN leader, all leader can work together to support, and they are doing, and management. So all together, I think we can help lots of people in the society, in the country. So helping and solution, change your focus, making money to serving more people. Serving more people to makes the money comes to you. So we should not focus money. We need to focus serving people. This situation, this, how to overcome, how we can do that, how we can helping people. So in that case, this is, I think, because this comments from Zig Ziglar, one of the greatest motivators. So this, I believe it's possible. And another things also, if he also told, we can have everything in our life if we want to help other people what they want from their life. So if we want to help, so it is a great opportunity to helping people, to work with them, work together to upgrade other people's life. When we can upgrade other people's life, and we can upgrade ourselves, we can earn money, we can achieve all the dreams in our life. So in that case, I believe the DXN system is very perfect. Whatever his background, whatever he want to do, maybe he didn't get the opportunity, but this is all these things only matter of understanding, realizing, and then it will be bring change to the society or the country or the organization. So strategic plan and ideas. First of all, we need to believe ourselves. We should not be hopeless, and we need to build confidence. All these people are successful in this time, in this COVID-19 crisis time. So we can be successful also, because this system based on system of success. So we should be united and work as a team to help members overcome the challenges. We need to take initiative seriously for different kinds of training build skill, confidence, to create success, to create future leaders. Because every person is not permanent. Every institution is permanent. DXN is an institution. Even all the senior leader, I believe this is they are an institution. They are not a person now, because under them 1 million, sorry, was 500 people, 5,000 people, 50,000, 500,000 people, like this. So they gradually, the upcoming people, they are very smart and very smart with the technology, and they get knowledge. Because if I share myself 15 years before, who doesn't know what is Ganoderma, who doesn't know what is status, who doesn't know people use product and can take as a career, and it can help lifelong and generation to generation. It is already proven now around the world. So that's why we need to plan, we need to give this idea what already our achievement and what is our experience, our skill, that is our strength of in DXN world. So we are already spend our business every continent, 180 countries already our business. So, and it is very important to sustainable growth for team and country. So every country, we are facing different kinds of challenges. I think we can be very strong, will be very strong. We can build a very strong team, sustainable team, and we can upgrade people's life, and we can train them. The more number of the people will successful, the more it will grow. That's why our growth is more strong. And even pandemic, it is not affected our cell. Our cell is more than before. Alhamdulillah, it is a great things. So it is a ready-made system. Ready-made system I mentioned because of I should not think about product, how to produce world-class product, how to produce marketing system, how to pay the rent, how to pay staff salary. I am not doing that one. Everything is arranged by company. That is our resources. So how I can utilize, and all human being around the world, he need this unique product, daily usable product. Maybe instead of DXN, he's using another product, another brand. So DXN have now resources. We have more successful people around the world, different nationality, different language. So the strength, they can make understand his own community, knowledge, skill, experience, and success stories. We are very strong now. Not only in one country, not only in one continent, we can say in the whole world. And technology with different apps. We are using already technology. Now, all of us, we are using Android phone, but those people are watching, registered or download Zoom or webinar, they can see this is a different world, right? So, but those people having this maybe a technology, maybe they're using only Facebook, they think how many like is there, how many they watching something, it is no use for development or good things. So in DXN, we can utilize our technology to develop our DXN business. So focus worldwide DXN management and leaders activities. So everything is going on around the world. Everything can be do at home. Even we are in home, we can do, we can join, we can do, we can promote, we can help, everything from the home. That is the great things now in the world. Most important, one world, one market, one ID, and one bonus statement. There is a lots of company they have also business in different countries, but still I didn't see every company given one statement or bonus, whole world bonus in one statement. That is DXN. So it is proven system. So confirmation of the monthly bonus. Whatever you do, whatever you are doing today, you will get bonus 100%. Salary, no guarantee. You can do business, no guarantee. Even you don't know, you go today for your job. You will continue tomorrow. You don't know. Maybe they told, sorry, we cannot continue. We cannot help. It can be happen lots of people this time. So DXN is the great opportunity, great resources, but you need to utilize and you need to realize. So what is our DXN brand purpose? Why people will do? Why? What is the purpose? So we should we should know someone, associate. Why should someone associate with DXN? The purpose, what you will get, that is our purpose to talk. We need to, why should someone buy DXN product? Why should someone respect DXN? Why should someone keep purchasing DXN product? Why should someone talk about DXN and share ideas and opinions about DXN? Why should DXN exist today? And why should DXN exist in future? If we know all this why, so we'll build confidence and we will achieve whatever we want, whatever problem we are facing today, and we can help more number of the people, then we can successful. So I would like to share with all of you, it is my feelings, the importance of globalization roles in 21st century. DXN is global business because DXN setup is in the whole world. So globalization is important because it's opened many doors in different kinds of field of business. So now world in our hand because of technology. So technology is the world today has made it easier for find in more depth information to use for business purposes. We cannot share everything one day, even all speakers, all our leaders. It is a journey for learning. But if you want to know Google, YouTube, Facebook, everything is there. So everyone can learn other countries because of impact of globalization, access to new market. When you see your business in only Saudi Arabia, somebody think he's working in UAE, or somebody working in Bangladesh or Philippines or India or any other countries. But because of DXN opportunity, you need to think about globally. When you access new market, because you have DXN ID number, it is your international business license number. When you get this license, then you can, everything is arranged by company around the world. So what you need to do, you need to promote your business through social media, technology, and people will connect there. There is our office, there is our product, there is our system. So you can get more bonus. Even your country, any natural disaster is there, Allah forbidden. Even no product is there, but your bonus is there. So you can survive, you can help people. You will not feel stress. You will not be in uncertain future. It is possible with the DXN. So now, as I told, the activities going on around the world, it is in your fingerprint. Just touch what you want. All around the world, all activities, all leaders, seminars going on. But you just keep in your eye where our DXN activities, then you get it. Then you can learn and you can introduce new consumer, new people, and new opportunity. Now everybody looking second income because their first income, their job or business, it is uncertain. They are struggling. If you offer something, I believe this is the time for us to offer the opportunity and to support them. So all in one with the DXN, the family, the business, the financial freedom, goals, peace of mind, control, your financial security, protection, and retirement. I believe it is my feelings. All we achieved, Alhamdulillah. That's why I am proud to share with all of you. It is possible. All in one. The DXN concept is all in one for anybody. If you want to change, if you want to achieve, in a state of thinking, stress, insecurity, frustration, DXN is the solution. So whole world, there is a product, system, 7.4 billion population, consumer all around the world. You need to build a consumer team, opportunity in your hand, opportunity with DXN with you. So globalization with technology, with DXN, you can create and you can lead. I would like to share some experience here. We have some great leaders. They know more with us. Allah give them Jannah. Allah yarhamu. our one leader, Mr. Abdul Gaid Muafa from Yemen. We was together 2007 in India. After return back, I think all senior DXN leader they knows. He passed away from in Yemen in the with plane crash. So now, last year I was with his family, his son and his wife. You see, the DXN, by doing DXN, we are building asset and give legacy to our family. Whatever benefit we are achieving now, receiving now, we are in institution, our organization, it is our net worth of life, it is an asset. That's why those people are achieve THIP, traveling opportunity. Of course, their team is working and their bonus is high. That's why it is possible. So this is one example. We have another leader, Allah Yarhamu, Ahmed Al-Razbi from Oman. And he was no more with us. You see, his son achieved on behalf of him gold diamond status. But if any doctor, any chancellor, or any professional people, he cannot transfer his status to his family. Even now he no more, but he built the asset, he built organization, and he get it. You see, his two sons was Azerbaijan with us. I am very proud and I build face confidence because what we are doing, lots of family in future, same things can be happen. The more successful people we create, the more our system will be, people believe and they will join more. I would like to say those people not yet decide because of he doing good job. Maybe he thinking something, DXN is nothing. But I would like to tell, this is all life example. It's heart touching because what we are doing, because we are helping people. Even one day we know more. One day lots of people will be successful, still they didn't come to the system. So their family will survive because premature death is still, their children not finish education, no married. Their food, their accommodation, their educational expenses, it is goes to through DXN. So this is a live example for us. Allah Yarhamu, Mr. Abdullah Yaqubi from Oman. His son, on behalf of him, he no more, triple diamond status, he's receiving. I was 2007 in one of the largest cruise ship in the world, Costa Serena, 2007. With me, Mr. Yang Bong. With this, all global successful people was there. And that time he was with us. Now he no more, he passed away, but his family surviving because he no more, but his team is there. His organization is there. His business is there. That's why all the facility his family is enjoying. One of our leader from Bangladesh, his name is Fazlera. He's an IT engineer, IT specialist. He also was in Philippines. Meet with Mr. Also in 2008, then he was there for anniversary. Now he no more also, this Fazlera he also no more, but his family is surviving through DXN system. It is a proven. So what I would like to share with all of you, DXN is a proven profession and proven system. This profession helps millions of people financially and moving closer to the dreams. It is a proven system already. It is no more trial. It is no trial. It is already proven. I believe, and I would like to request all of you, please utilize the opportunity and realize the opportunity. Now, DXN is a global family business opportunity. You are the member. You are the already DXN with DXN system. So the opportunity, why DXN is the right choice, I proven already this one. So the DXN one ID, you can do business anywhere in the world. Everything is arranged by company. More than 5,000 world-class offices. And especially those who are in Middle East, we have around 80 world-class offices, and Middle East, Malaysia, Singapore. This is not a country or region. This is the gateway to transfer our business around the world, because multinationality is there. And lots of people coming this region from different part of the world to become successful in life. But 2 years, 5 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years already finished. Still, they couldn't successful. DXN is the solution for you. We have lots of leaders. They came also in Middle East or Malaysia, Singapore. They now go back to their home with their family, and also they enjoying. Even so many people no more in the world as I show, and their family also enjoying the system, the benefit. So world-class, daily usable, unique product. That is important because you need this product daily, maybe different brand. So latest technology in our hand. Every language video, presentation, testimonies, success stories available in YouTube. If you see all the information, presentation, everything in the Middle East, Facebook Live and also YouTube. If you go to the Facebook Live in different countries, everything is there. So all successful people, they are talking about the success. They are talking about the possibility. They're talking about guideline. They're sharing their experience because they are already successful. So please accept and to understand and utilize. So you see that anywhere, anytime, any place, with anybody, you can do this business and create a consumer team. Now we come back to again for COVID-19 challenges. You see the economy is broken. It is a disaster. But if you focus all these things, can you successful? Can you get any solution? If you focus all these things, you are the responsible for your family. You are the responsible for your future. You are the responsible for your career. But all these things is right. But DXN, the solution provider, everything is growing. So the last moment I want to say, we should not focus this one. We should support the organization you are working, your country, and also in your DXN business, your team. So face challenges, learn and grow. Though whatever I talk, everything, because it is a challenge. It is like a learning. Face challenge, learn and grow, because you will be the one who is lead millions of people, hundreds of people, thousands of people, because you are a solution provider. You are a problem solver. So you have get knowledge by facing challenges. So progress is impossible without change. You believe or not, because Allah never change anybody, any nation, if he don't want to change himself. If you focus only problem challenges, your solution is not there. So you need to focus for your progress with change, with your mindset. I believe DXN is a solution. So make a single decision. Decision making is also one of the most important topics in the world today, because your decision can change your future for your family, for your organization, for your team, for your country, because every decision for different point of view from different person is very important. This is your life, your future, your family. All the leaders, all the organization, or they can share, they can talk with you, but you are the one. So now every product, knowledge, everything with you, but the total global economy is already facing challenges. Every industry, every job sector, different industry already, they are facing lots of challenges. Example, the aviation industry, sports industry, the hospitality industry, even transportation, lots of challenges is there. But in DXN, we don't face problem. Still we have money. still we can help people, still we can drink coffee, still we need to take shower, still we need to brush our teeth, and still we need to focus health to be enjoy our life, to be healthy. So digital business, digitalization or globalization, it is possible through our DXN system. So my dear friend, I just want to share all the experience it is only I share because of with all of you, because I feel this is my experience to share. It is a great opportunity to share my experience to you, all of you. It can help because I believe, because I build it in the manual way. Still, I don't know technology, but I believe I'm learning, and slowly, because we used to talk in front of the people, like face to face. Now, sometimes we still not comfortable, but we need to do. We need to tell people. We need to share. So we are learning. So learning is a continuous journey, and we should not stop. And experience also will get it by learning, also facing challenges. So thank you so much. I really grateful to all of you. If anything's missing or anything's because I hope my English is very simple, but at the same time, if you think by the slide, I think you can understand. So I would like to conclude now. All product, which is very important for all around the world, all human being, it is available with DXN. Then we have a strong system, a strong management. We have offices all around the world, and people have problem. We have solution, and you are with the solution, not with problem. So you need to take decision what you will do. We are only share our experience with you. If you utilize and if you realize, you can be successful also, like those are successful with DXN. Ball in your hand. How you will throw is up to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harun Rashid, Executive Crown Diamond. See, whoever was watching the program, I was continuously watching the program. It was a very simple terms, simple experience, and a simple advice to each and every DXN member how to get the success. Because your life is in your hand, you need to take a decision to grow in DXN. That is what Mr. Harun Rashid shared today. Sir, thank you so much on behalf of all members and all leaders. Thank you so much. And there is one question. When the Bangladesh factory will start? There is one question from one person. So if you got any idea, you can reply that, sir.
Yes. Factory, thank you very much for this question. Factory is already Dr. Lim decided. When he decided, it is 100% will be there. But during this pandemic situation, our specialist people should go there to observe, to understand. But if there is our consultant, they working, the law consultant, and also the checking the government different organizations, and also what do you call this one, the land, also the raw materials, also taxes, everything is going on. It is in progress. And of course, any factory, it is a lifetime decision. So it takes time, because this pandemic situation, all of us, everybody is facing challenges. But it is work in progress.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harun Rashid. I think we will wind up. Thank you so much, all members and leaders who are watching. And we will make a decision, because decision is very important to do DXN very seriously. Thank you so much.